In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate stylized images in OpenArt. We'll start right on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the Images section to reveal the available tools. From there, click Edit Image. This opens the workspace where you'll transform your picture with AI-driven styles. Next, upload the image you want to work with. Choose a clear, well-lit photo if you can. Higher quality images usually produce cleaner, more impressive results. After selecting your file, be sure to click Upload to confirm and send it into the editor. Give it a moment to process. When your image appears in the canvas, you're ready to stylize. Click Stylize to open the style controls. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a library of styles. These can range from painterly looks to graphic modern treatments. Scroll through the options and preview what catches your eye. When you find a style you like, click it to apply it to your image. If you don't see your favorite right away, keep scrolling. There are plenty of variations to explore. Now adjust the style strength. This slider controls how bold the effect appears. Higher strength leans into a more creative, distinctly AI-generated look, while lower strength keeps more of your original image's texture, colors, and structure. If you're refining portraits or product shots, start a bit lower to preserve key details, then nudge the slider up until you reach a look you love. You can also add a text prompt to guide the style further. This is optional, but it's useful when you want specific details, like soft cinematic lighting, vibrant watercolor wash, or golden hour color grading. Keep prompts concise and descriptive. Clear language helps the model make confident adjustments without overcomplicating the result. Before generating, set the number of images you'd like. Choosing multiple outputs gives you variations on the same idea, which is handy for creative decisions or client options. If you're experimenting, 2 to 4 images is a great starting point. When everything looks set, your style, strength, prompt, and image count, click Create. The system will process your request and render the results. Processing time can vary based on complexity and the number of images you selected, so hang tight and let it finish. Once complete, you'll see your stylized images appear. Compare them side by side. Note which choices you prefer, and remember the settings that got you there so you can build on them next time. That's it. Simple, flexible, and creative. Enjoy exploring different styles and finding the perfect look for your images in OpenArt.